In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Booking.com to enhance your browsing experience. Maybe you're planning an exciting trip and want to explore the website in a language you're more comfortable with. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through this simple process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right area of the page. Here, you'll typically find a small icon that resembles a flag. This is the Language drop-down menu, a handy feature that lets you switch the language of the site with just a few clicks. Next, you'll need to click on this language drop-down. Once you do, a list of available languages will appear. Booking.com supports a wide range of languages, so whether you're more fluent in French, Spanish, Mandarin, or any other language listed, you should be able to find your preference. Simply scroll through the list if need be. Once you've identified your preferred language from this list, go ahead and click on it. This action will signal to the website to switch its entire content to the language you selected. The process is designed to be seamless, ensuring you don't lose any session data or information you've already inputted on the page. You may notice a very brief moment where the web page refreshes. This is perfectly normal and simply means the system is processing your selection. Once the page reloads, you'll see all menu options, headers, and text in your chosen language. It's that straightforward. This small change can make a significant difference, especially if you're navigating through booking options, reading hotel reviews, or managing reservations. Understanding the full context and details in your preferred language can help you make better informed decisions and avoid misunderstandings in your travel plans. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to customize your Booking.com browsing experience to fit your linguistic needs. This functionality empowers you to access travel information more effectively and get the most out of your planning process. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a long, luxurious vacation, having the site in your preferred language is one less thing to worry about. Feel free to explore all the features the site has to offer, and if you ever need to switch back to another language, just repeat the steps we discussed. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels.